Hello. Yeah, I hope everyone can hear me. Hello. Yeah. Okay, so you need to download the DingTalk application and register. I think we already shared how to register, how to create an account, how to log in. So I will not be showing that part because I cannot show currently. I cannot download the version we can use. I cannot download the overseas version. I only have the Chinese version currently. So in this case, I'll be only showing how to do recording. I will show it again because yesterday it seems we had an audio issue. Didn't realize that one. It's okay, I'll try to solve it. Yeah, now we can start. Let me try to connect my phone again so we can see how it works. And then we start over. Hold on. Okay. So let's connect to my mobile number first. Okay. Just wait a second. Okay. So we have a platform called recordforai.com. I think you got an invitation code for this, invitation link. You should use it to register into this platform. Currently, we are having some network issues. It's a little bit slow for me, but I think you will not have such problems. So let me log out here, sign out, and then we start over. Okay. So this is the first step. We got the invitation code, invitation link. We go to visit, we visit it. We go to register page. Yeah. So we need to type our informations here. You will see the invitation code. It's showing which project you are invited to. This is your invitation code. You type your name. Okay, and then choose your mobile number, area code. And then type your email address and create account. Yeah, our email is already registered, so and then I need to change this one maybe. Yeah. Okay. Then I go to my email address, get the code. I receive the code and then put here. Okay, I registered. After I register, I will see that I'm invited by this organization, by this person under this project. These are some terms about the project. I just click understand, no problem, this one. Then we go agreement page. This is a contributor agreement. So this one you should read and understand. These are all the terms, all the things you are contribute for your contribution. This is actually the basic part. There will be another extension to this per project, because per project terms are a little bit different. These are the main rules and simple NDA and simple authorization. Like basically you're authorizing us to use your voice for AI training. Just click the sign agreement to sign agreement, just sign it. And I use the signature. Signature comes here. The system will convert it into PDF and let you download it. You will download it into your computer. Just wait a little bit, a few seconds, and system will redirect to you this page. It's showing all the details, and your signed agreement will be visible in here. As I said, my network is a little, I have some problems with the network. So it's coming very slow. Anyway, also the copy of the agreement will be sent to your email address. We just say, and we don't need to wait for it. I just say enter the system. This will redirect us to projects page, which we can see the projects we are attended to. So in here, currently we will work on Portuguese project. So click this one. Application supports the mobile and multiple languages. So if you want to change your language, you can change it also. Later I can show how to do that. So when I click the project, because it's my first time opening this project, because I just registered, the system will show me a simple agreement about the project, will show me the terms. So I just need to click the agree button to start working on this project. Okay, I think I have my network really so slow, I think. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. Yeah, really network issue. Yeah, you can see the project terms. The projects are usually all the projects have similar terms. For this one, you must record 1 hour every 2 days. It's basically, but we prefer daily recordings. Okay, so this is minimum. I mean, please don't do the minimum. And you must record 5 hours weekly. By the way, these recordings can be multiple audio files. You don't have to record 5 hours of audio or like 1 hour of audio. Also, it's not good for the system. We just record total 1 hour in, let's say, every day, which is very good. We like this way. But you can record more, which is also okay. And you cannot record more than 20 hours currently. But if you want to work more than 20 hours after you reach the 20 hours, we can talk about the next step. You can still continue working on, but will be there will be some procedures you need to follow there. Okay, so each audio should be minimum 1 minute and maximum 30 minutes when you are working on this system. And the project will continue until we notify you. So like, but I can tell you currently it's about the end of this month. But it may be earlier, depends on the work. I mean, if our team is really working hard and we're completing like thousands of hours of audio, we may stop working on this project because we completed the project already. Because our project is counted by that, we will assign your record to annotators. So why do we say this? Because for example, the deadline for your task is May 25, and then you are pushing audio to us May 24 for annotation, like not 1 or 2 hours audio, like 10 hours of audio in a sudden. And this audio will take a few days for annotation. So you shouldn't expect that your audio will be processed on May 25. It will be processed on May 28. So you should understand that there will be delay if you are submitting your audios in last day. Okay, just click the I have read and understand this project agreements and click agree button. Yeah, then you are inside the project. These are the simple terms for the project. Here the documentation about this project. So like all the terms, project agreements, you can find in here all the rules like prohibited content. Like you shouldn't be talking about some physical harms, like eating disorders, pornography, sexual violence, like harming other human or even animals, or drugs, even political things are not accepted. And reading novels, reading news, also not accepted. You should know this one. This is because this is a free speech project. You should be talking freely, like naturally, like you are talking to your friend. And other terms. And if your work has some problems, like you recorded audio and has some issues about your audio, we have this kind of cases, and if we think it can be fixed, like maybe you need to do something to fix it. In this case, we will tell you, and then you have 48 hours to fix this. If but for audio actually usually cannot be fixed, so just make sure you are not recording some prohibited contents, like you are not recording something, like you are not using AI tools or other stuff, because at the end of the day we will find it. I mean, AI, because the audio files will be audited by 4 or 5 different AI systems, and they will definitely find what's going on there. They can easily detect the novel readings, easily detect others. So no need to waste time on this. It's just you're just delaying things, you know. At first step, of course, we will not find it because we are just doing annotation. Second step, maybe we will pass a quality analysis, but the third step, we'll go to the first model check. You will directly be flagged. If even you are not, you will be flagged in second model check, and then third model check, like this. And at last, we'll go to the human check, and in there, they can easily find it. So I don't need to waste time on this, so just to make sure your recordings are very nicely done. So here, the project detail, after you click, you will see the tasks. These are the tasks you need to complete, you need to work on them. There are many tasks here. You can choose which one you wanna work on it. Because a lot of people, because this is a free speech project, and a lot of people don't know about how to talk about what. They cannot find a topic. So we have prepared a lot of topics for you. You just choose one of them. You like which one, and then talk about it. For example, I have seen New York. Let's see, Central Park. Okay, maybe you have been to Central Park, you want to talk about this. You can just choose this task. and then click start working. But before that, you should read this and understand. It's very simple and the same for all the tasks. All you follow in the same rule. Each task must have a 10 minutes, minimum 10 minutes of audio. You can record more than 10 minutes, but cannot be less than 10 minutes. Otherwise, the task will be rejected. And you can record multiple audio files, like each one is 3 minutes, 4 audio files, or like each one is 5 minutes, 6 audio files, or each one is 3 minutes, 4 audio files, or like each one is 10 minutes, 1 audio file, or even each one is 15 minutes, 3 audio files. We don't care. You can record more, but cannot record less than 10. And each audio files cannot be, each recordings cannot be less than 1 minute and more than 20 minutes. Actually, you can do more than 20 minutes, but we suggest don't do that, because when you are uploading the audio, you'll have a lot of problem. So if I click this, a timer will appear and I have 45 minutes to complete this. So you should make sure you have at least 10 minutes time to record your audio, otherwise the task will fail. Okay, click start working. So the timer started. I have 45 minutes to complete this task, so I have to go to DingTalk application on my phone. I go there. There is a menu item called AI minutes. If you cannot see, you just click the more button and you will see AI minutes. Go there. It will send me to this page, and in here there is a recording icon. Just click this one. It will send us to recording page. It's already start recording. So it's currently recording already. So just talk about your subject, complete your task about, let's say, 10 minutes, whatever. And when you want to pause, you can, of course, pause and sorry. Okay. I lost the connection to my phone. Okay. So you can pause and you can also continue recording. So don't worry, like suddenly your friend said something to your family, said something, you have to answer, just pause it, answer, and then come here, click play, and then continue recording. Don't worry about it. And then click here end button to finish the recording. So after click that, the system will give you, will show you your audio in here after this, because you completed, let's say you completed 10 minutes of audio in here, which is enough to complete this task. Or if it's not enough, you can record more, and at last you need to transfer these audio files into this system. So for this, there's a share button here. You click this one, you click the share button, it will open a share menu. In here, firstly, before we share, we should make sure we give the permission. Okay, click this one. System will open a permission page. Here we come here, click the contributor. We can choose the internet public, but if it's not available, some people don't have it, so they can choose organization public also. Okay, let's choose the internet public. Yeah, if you are not in the organization, you cannot also choose this one. I mean, if you are not inside our organization, you shouldn't choose this one. Just to choose internet public. Click this one, original content. Yeah, and confirm changes. Confirm. Yeah, you have given the permission already. Go back to share menu, and you copy the link here from this button, and pass the link to your computer, or you use your mobile device to log in record for AI. Actually, yeah, I can do that one. Record4ai.com on my mobile device. I will log in. open it. Okay, let's say as you see, I can open this on my mobile device, so you don't even need to go to your computer. If you are working on your computer, just pass link to your computer. If you are not, just use your mobile device also, okay. And then you finish the record you completed. It's very slow, sorry for that. These are all your records. No one can see others' records, only the admin and the annotator can see the assigned person's records, so don't worry about it. So you can see your work in here, and you can choose the project you want to work, and you can filter them by project, because sometimes people working on multiple projects. So in here you can track your work. Sorry for that. Let me show in here. You just go to my work, and in here you will see work you have done. Let's say for this one, for now I will put some dummy URLs, okay, and I will have something here. Yeah, this is my work. So now I completed 10 minutes of audio, and it's done. Just this. So now you can record, work on task, and record, and just continuously keep doing the same thing. It's very simple actually. Registering on the mobile app, that part may be a little bit challenging sometimes, but just follow the documents we shared. Then it will work. Don't worry about it.